Hello, guys. So this is Gabriel Emmanuel Maji, aka Box. All right. So this is actually what's back in stock, and I felt like there's a need for me to tell you guys something about this. I think it's amazing. It's an amazing printer, and here are some fun facts about this. Is it does not use ink. It's an inkless printer, and all you just need to do just buy it. Just buy it and print whatever you want to print. Well, it comes with all these packages. This is the normal papers for printing. Well, on this, you could actually use it to do various things. You can print receipts for your business. This is the sticker paper. You could also print stickers, and I don't know where you might want to place your stickers, but there are various places where you might really want to place them on. So you could actually do that. You could print stickers. Some people that are into perfume business, you could also print stickers and place them on it. Then all these are just part of the gift pack. Then we have this. These are the colored papers also. It comes with this. Well, can't wait to unbox this. Okay, so we have this, and of course, I'm making use of uh, my video making kit. So let me fix this to the ground. Yep, it's fixed already. So I'm actually excited, and I'm sure that you guys are excited as well. So this is how it looks like. The way the name goes, portable. It comes with its charger. It comes with a charger, a Type C charger to be precise. And we raise this up a little bit. Okay, comes with, and of course the baby herself. Let me move this guy out. Here she is. Comes with this. This is the mini printer. I think the name precises it. So this is actually the portion whereby you put the papers. Once the paper is finished, let me open it. You just press this and it opens. And you can see the paper. Once this one is finished, you take it out and then place another paper to it. You close it. So it's actually a very nice printer. It's something that you might want to look into and add to your collection of printers. And the sweet part is that you print from your phone. Like, is that not amazing? You print from your phone, directly from your phone, and on the application there's a whole lot of inbuilt uh, samples that you could use. And aside that, you can also print what you feel like printing or whatever you want to print. If you have the picture on your phone, although it prints just black and white, but it's something very perfect for any business. And I think on the next video I'm going to be explaining uh, how to download the application, how to use the application, and of course how to print with the application. Okay, so the first thing you might want to do is for you to download the application. I've downloaded it already. Okay, I've downloaded it already, but I just want to show you guys. You just go to your Play Store. The name of the application is Phone Print. I think I like the way they called it Phone Print. So that's the name Phone Print. Once you click on it, you get to see the application, and of course, it looks like the printer. So I don't know why my network is a bit. Let me just. I don't know what's wrong with network though, but this is how the application looks like. Let me just show it to you guys. Here it is. That's the Phone Print application. So once you've downloaded it, you open it. The next thing you might want to do is uh, connect your printer, and mine is already on, but let me just show you guys how you on the printer. So this is how the interface of the phone print, how it looks like, and the printer as well. Let's go back to the printers, because we have to long press the printer for you to be able to turn it on. So we have the printer here. So the next thing that we're going to do is just for us to long press. Once you long press, you're going to see just long press. You hear that sound? So it's on already. So your Bluetooth must be on. Okay, I think mine is connected to my. Sorry. Let me turn Bluetooth is connected to my MP, so boy, notwithstanding, let's continue. So we'll go to our phone print. And then what we want to check now basically is for us to see and connect the phone prints to the printer. You come over here. That's the place that has this that phone print. You click on it. Once you click on it, you see mine is already connected. Turn on location. Yeah. Okay, just turn it on. Mine is already connected because I've used it before. So once you've used it, you turn your Bluetooth on, it will be connected automatically. So next thing I want to do, there's so many things that you could do. You see here is a text scan. You could also scan a text, but that's not what we want to do. You could also write some stuff like what I was saying about the receipt. You can write it and then you print whatever you want to print. Here is for the new slip. We have the new slip here, and we have to do. Some people might print their to-do list. We have banners, sticker notes, and all these sticker notes like from the papers that I was explaining earlier. So next thing that I want to do now is, and now let me show you guys something. If I'm coming to these, let me say, sticky notes, for instance, it has a lot of inbuilt already that you could select anyone and then write on it. You understand? You could select anyone and then write in time. I think that's network though. So, so you could actually write what you want to do. So let me assume I'm writing Box Concepts Limited, and amount. Let me say amount, for instance. Let me say amount. I'm saying 40,000, 40,000 naira. And then let me say quantity. Quantity. Let me assume, okay, it's telling me that exceed limit of count. Quantity, let me say 3. So let me assume that this is what I want to print. So when I'm done, next thing I'm going to do is just to click on this part here, this part that says print. You getting me? So I will just click on it. So you can see that there are different characters. I could move to graphics. If I click on graphics, you can see that the eyes and everything pops out. But most of the time, so it depends on what you want to do. You could adjust whatever you want to adjust. These ones, this here over here, is the number of copies that you want. Understand? So you can actually increase it. It can print 10 copy per print. So it depends on whatever you want to do. The density, you can work on the density and then you know whatever you want to do. So let me assume that I'm okay with this. And then the next thing I want to do is just to hit on print. So let me see how fast I can be able to swap from this part here to my camera so that you guys could see how this is actually working. So click on print. Oh boy. For save. So this is what's happening. You can see that it's actually printing. Let me turn on my lights. So you can see how cool it is. It's done. So you have printed this. Now let me still go back again to the portion whereby let's assume that we're actually working on a picture that is in your phone. And just on the new slip, we'll come to picture. Okay, I've actually done a lot of designs, and like I said, let me see. Let me just see this. Let me see how it's going to change Sheldon into a black and white portrait. You can see. Let me assume that I'm printing this. Oh boy, what am I doing? Right. You can see that it's trying hard to print Sheldon, but Sheldon is there. Oh boy, what's wrong with my temperature? So you can see that's printed Sheldon. The size of what I sent to it. Now let's try making it getting something a bit bigger. Let me see. Okay, no, don't save this as a draft. New slip picture. So let me assume I'm printing this Guinness World Record something. And then click on done. I just want to increase this. Okay, this is the only size that it has. Perfect. So let me assume that I'm printing this. Then next thing I want to do is just to click on my prints. So you can see the different, it could work as graphics or character. So you can check for whichever you want to use to work. So I'll click on print. Let me go back to my page. So you can see what's happening. So this my phone is very hot. So that's the printer. Like I said, is actually very, just like the name implies, fun print. It's fun to print with. All right, so thank you so much. Hope you guys enjoyed this. So finally, this was what we were able to print, and you guys could see. So I don't know what's stopping you from getting the portable mini printer. Don't forget, we have this, and we're just a call away.